a very important and conceptual problem from ellipse, and this is from JEE Main 2025. And in this problem it is given that let the product of the focal distances of the point, any point is given on the ellipse is given by this and a greater than b, that is we like such normal ellipse, okay, b 7/4. Then absolute difference of the eccentricities of two such ellipses is given by 4 option. Okay, before going to solve the main problem, here we clear about the focal distances or product of focal distances. Here we already draw a rough sketch of ellipse and let any point on the ellipse, this is p x1 y1, and we know that the equation of the ellipse is this, and since a greater than b, so major axis is x axis and minor axis is y axis, right, y dash, and the coordinate of two focus, this is s a 0 and this is s dash, this is minus a 0. We have to find the value of ps and ps dash, okay, ps and ps dash, and we make the product of this. Now the definition of ellipse is given by sp by pm, this is equal to e. What is pm? Pm is this, if we draw a perpendicular on the on the directrix l dash, this is m, and this is any point x1 y1 on the ellipse, and since this is p, the coordinate is x1 y1, so we get the point here, this is given by x1 0, okay. Now sp, this means e into pm, and we can write e into pm. Pm means this distance, okay, so it is clearly a by e minus x1, and get the result as a minus e x1, okay. This is the value of sp, and similarly when we have to find the value of s dash p, then the pm is, that is the perpendicular is like this, okay, this is known as pm dash, so pm dash, and this is also we write e, because e with the eccentricity, this is always constant, so s dash p, this is e into pm dash, and e into pm dash means here this is given by a, because sorry, this is given by a by e, because from here to here the distance is a by e, and from here to this is obviously x1, so we get a by e plus x1, that is the result a plus e x1, so we get sp into s dash p, this is given by a minus e x1 into a plus e x1. This is very important expression of ellipse, okay. This is the product of focal distance. Now we directly write here the product of focal distance is 7/4, so we get a square minus e square x1 square, this is equal to 7/4. And what is the value of x1? Here the point is given by √3, half. So we put here √3 square, this is 3, and getting the result as 4 square, this is 7 plus 12 square. Okay, we get a relation from here. Again, this point lies on this ellipse, so we get this is 3 by a square plus this is 1 by 4 b square, this is 1. Now we put the value of b square from the definition of eccentricity. We get the result as This is 3 by a square plus 1 by 4 into What is the value of b square? B square is given by a square into 1 minus e square. This is 1. Now taking LCM, we get this is 12 into 1 minus e square and plus this is 1. So we get this is 4 a square into 1 minus e square. Now from left side we get 13 minus 12 e square, and if we put the value of 4 a square from the previous relation, we get this is 7 plus 12 e square into 1 minus e square, right? Now 13 minus 12 e square, by multiplying this result we get 7 plus 12 e square minus 7 e square, and this is obviously minus 12 e to the power 4. So we get 12 e to the power 4, and this is 12 square, this is 12 square and plus 7. So we get minus 17 square, and this is given by 6. This is equal to 0. Okay, and clearly this is 12 e to the power 4 minus 8 square minus, this is 9 square minus 6. This is equal to 0. I make a small mistake here. This is 13 minus 7. This is plus 6. Right? So 2 factor is given by 4 square minus 3 into another factor is given by 3 square minus 2. This is equal to 0. So from these two factors we get the value of E. This is root 3 by 2, and value of another eccentricity, this is root 2 by root 3. Now taking the absolute difference, that is root 3 by 2 minus root 2 by root 3, this mod. Okay, and clearly this is 3 minus 2 root 2 by 2 root 3, and we delete the modulus because this is positive. Okay, and clearly our answer, that is the correct answer, is answer number 3. This is the correct option. Very important problem from ellipse. Okay, thank you for watching.